Assalamualaikum to our lecturer, Puan Islin. So today our group would like to present a problem-based task for Python. So before that, our group consists of 4 persons, which is me, Muhammad Hidayatullah, followed by Becky HERN, Servina, and Muhammad ZAKIRI. For the task description, we need to do a system that is need to solve network activity problems such as logging activities, network hacking, and others. So we need to develop that system to fulfill the requirement based on functions, modules, exception handling, and database operations. From the system that we develop, we need to display record, add new records, update records, and delete records. That's the 4 things we need to do. So for the chosen system, we choose to develop network incident logger because it will help the network administrator to uh, protect their network from any malicious logging into the network. So here, the first step to do the to develop the system.
So this is the second one for network incident logger. So it will help log and manage network issues. So the second one is import zip file code. So you can see the code there. It will unzipping the project folder. And the below one is Python 3 main py code. It will running the main Python file. The main Python file is main.py. So the next slide explains about how it connects to a SQLite database that a file to store incidents. So if the table doesn't exist, it will create one. Each incident includes ID, title, description, severity, status, and also time. And it also has a function to show all the incidents. So this is the function code to add a new record. This function allows users to add new incidents and it will automatically set the status and open. It also saves it to the database. So the last one you can see there, it is the confirmation message that is new incident added successfully. So this is the output for the code. And you can see there the title is ICMP snooping, the description is happen at ICMP protocol, and severity is high. So the below one you can see there, it confirmed that the incidents was added successfully.
The chosen system, Network Incident Logger. Network Incident Logger menu, display all incidents, add a new incident, update an existing incident, then delete an incident, exit. Enter your choice 1 to 5, 3. Enter incident ID to update 1, which field to update, status, enter new value for status, resolved. Incident ID 1 updated successfully. Network Incident Logger menu, display all incidents, add a new incident, update an existing incident, delete an incident, and exit. Enter your choice 1 to 5. 4. Enter incident ID to delete 1. Incident ID 1 deleted successfully.
Through this project, we learned how important modular design and testing are in building scalable and maintainable systems. We now understand how reusable code helps reduce duplication, makes debugging easier, and allows collaboration. These tasks help us connect Python programming with real-world software development practices. So let's see the number 4. Function to delete a record. So this is the output in this code. So we will after see the code with number 5, and this is the output. So let's see the conclusion. The system demonstrates strong practical understanding of Python for software application development in a real-world context, fulfilling the requirements of the problem-based task PBT. So that's for all. Thank you.